how to withdraw money from Hankotrade. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to withdraw money from Hankotrade. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Hankotrade website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on my menu or dashboard of my Hankotrade, you will see a button right here that says enable to FA. So I already enabled mine, so it says disabled, but you will see right there enable to FA. So what you're going to do is to click that, and you will need to open your Google Authenticator app in your cell phone, and you will need to scan the code right there that will be given by Hanko Trade. And after you enable the 2FA, you can now rightly withdraw your, something in your Hanko Trade or live account. So right here on the withdrawals, you will select a trading ID or any live account you want that have a funds that you want to withdraw. And right here is it says pre-margin zero, so you don't have any deduction when withdrawing. And right there on there below, you can now put the amount of something and select your cryptocurrency, or for example whatever cryptocurrency you have in that account. So for example, myself is USDC, and I'm just going to input the address, and yeah, that's it. So in my case, I'm going to withdraw 10 USDC, and after I request the withdrawal, I will now provide my bank details on where I want to withdraw my currency. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from Hanko Trade. And also that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.